Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. We absolutely go by the LS engine kings, and we are the kings when it comes to these LS motors. This is going into a drift car, so this is a different style build. This one's going to be cruising around and drifting around over 6,000 RPM. Just got to make it about 750 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. And I think this drift car is going to love this engine. So again, if there's anything we can help you with, we'll be happy to build something for you. And again, each engine is custom built to order. Thank you. All right, Damien, I know you've been waiting for this, and here it is, your day. 86 Toyota drift car, LS7 441 cubic inch. We're gonna fire this up and give it a blast from hell. How's that? Fires up beautifully. Wait till we hit some R's.